So today is cooking day. Yeah, I'm gonna be hitting the supermarket because I am hungry, and I just got this sneaky little idea, something that I want to try to eat. I'm not trying to eat. I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna cook it, and it's gonna be amazing. So yeah, let's hit the supermarket. It's that away. Yeah, so we have everything that we need in here, and let's just go and get into cooking this because I am hungry. All right, so here we are in my little kitchen, which is kind of temporary, I guess, really. I guess you could call it temporary kitchen. It's just there when I need it, and then I put it away. So anyway, we have broccoli. Oh my God, look at this. This is fantastic. We have some chicken, medallions of chicken. Garlic, ginger, which is still alive, apparently, and then we have some other bits and pieces which are going to be necessary. So we have some black pepper, brand new, haven't opened that one yet. Some honey because a lot of people use brown sugar to sweeten up and balance out the difference between the sweet and sour in their dishes, but I like honey. I just find it a little bit smoother. It adds just that little bit more to the taste. We have some soya, we have some corn flour and water already prepared, and we have some sesame oil, and yeah, we're going to turn all of this into chicken and broccoli in ginger and garlic sauce. So yeah, I'm going to start preparing stuff. Let's do this. Alright, so now we're about ready to get cooking. We have our chicken. It's been marinated in this beaten egg with a little bit of cornstarch as well. So yeah, that should just tenderize it and make it easier to cook without burning it or overdoing it or anything. So that's looking pretty good. Lekker, lekker. Alright, and we have the broccoli cut. You saw me doing that anyway. And yeah, diced all the ginger and the garlic. And now we're just waiting for the pan to get nice and hot. I can feel that now on my hand. We need to get that really good and hot. Now I'm going to add in some virgin olive oil because I don't have any normal vegetable oil. But this stuff is fine. It just doesn't give quite the same punch. But I'm going to mix it a little bit with some sesame oil, but I'll add that later on. And yeah, so let's just get that nice and hot. Test it with a little bit of the garlic and the ginger. Oh, there we go. So the reason I've got two piles is because I'm actually going to cook this twice because my pan is only tiny. So here we go. Let's get this stuff in and get mixing that. Let's use the right tools as well. So this is really important because this is the base of our flavour, garlic and the ginger. As you can see, the colour's changing beautifully there. Some of it's a little bit overdone, but it's not going to be a problem. So now it's ready for the chicken. So I'm going to add that. Try not to burn my hands while I'm doing this, of course. Piece don't want to go in. It's like, no, don't put me in. I don't want to die. You're already dead, mate. You're already dead. All right, that's about half the chicken. Cool. So now we're going to cook that. Like I say, keep stirring it, seal it. It's gonna be real good. It sounds good too, that lovely sizzle. Oh, it's making my mouth water like crazy. There's that word again. I know, it's become my word of the life. I'm gonna go to the library, I'm gonna get a book, and I'm gonna learn some new words. I love the smell of fresh ginger cooking. I really do. Now, add a little bit of salt. Add a little bit of pepper. Because I like it with a little bit of bite. I do like it with just a little bit of bite. You get some of that obviously from the ginger as well. But yeah, that's the plan. This one I haven't opened earlier. Open now. Just a little bit of that because it just brings the flavour out that little bit more. Some soya, not too much. There we go. And yeah. Oh, that smells so good right now. Alright. Now I'm going to throw in the broccoli. This is going to be a dish delish, I guarantee it. Yeah. So yeah, keep stirring, keep stirring, keep stirring. But what we can see now is that chicken has done a beautiful colour. It's absorbed the soya and yeah, this is just beautiful. I'm not going to cook the broccoli too much because I want it nice and crunchy. We are actually pretty nearly done here. So I'm going to take maybe a minute for the broccoli. I actually like broccoli raw. It's really, really good for you. But this is nice because it just absorbs some of the flavour and it gives it that crunch that you need. I think I always feel like you need crunch in a dinner. And yeah, we're pretty much there. We are. Right, I'm going to clean up a little bit and get my bowl, and we're going to serve this bad boy. This is looking mwah. So take a look at that. Oh, that's beautiful, you know it. And here we have it. This just looks so delicious. And I'm going to just try a little bit here. Broccoli is still good and crunchy. My word. That was super tasty. And a little bit of chicken. And some ginger and garlic in there as well. Try to put through this. This broccoli is so crunchy. Crazy. Alright, here we go. Some chicken. Man, that was good. It's good and tender. This is just a quick, easy meal. Right, a little bit of stir frying. It's kind of perfect for van life because a lot of people don't have ovens. Myself, I don't have an oven. So I need things that I can do in a pan or a pot. And this, it's really healthy. It's low calorie. It's filling, and it's just alrighty. I will put the ingredients in the description. I'm just gonna go and eat this because this is just too good. Thank you for watching, and yeah, please like and subscribe. I'll catch you again soon. Be good, be happy, keep on rolling. Alright, ciao for now.